How to remove account from Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through how we can remove account in Messenger. So let's go on with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to remove account in Messenger, these are the process you may follow. First of all, log in into the Messenger application and you will be able to find your account and you'll be finding your chats here. So on the top left corner you can find these three horizontal lines, the menu bar. Just click on it, and when you click on it you'll be able to find a profile with a drop down option and a settings beside it. Just click on the settings option, and when you click on settings option you're just gonna scroll a bit until you're able to find this option called switch account, which is under the safety section. Just click on switch account. After that you'll be finding your accounts here. So here are 3 to 4 accounts I have logged in right now. So let's say I want to remove this account, the last account right here. So in order to do that, when you click on this link account and swipe to left, you are able to find delete option. So when you click on this delete option and tap on this OK, this account will be removed from this particular device. So that's how you basically remove account from Messenger in Messenger. So therefore I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.